Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are at the Magic Kingdom, and we are in Adventureland, and we're going to take a ride on the Jungle Cruise. I hope you enjoy the video.
Will world-famous paleontologist Dr. Cornelius please return the dinosaur coloring book and crayons borrowed from the sketch office? The Nile River is extremely wet today. Please drive slowly. Under the age of 5.
It's very positive, I see that. Are you a bird? Yeah. Are you
No, those are real.
Goose, berry preserves. Okay, shows that you're never gonna see them ever again. But that's okay, you never saw them before anyways. Now wave goodbye to all of my fans. Yep, ceiling fans. They hang around and around. My name is Skipper Michelle, and I will be your skipper here today on the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are famous around the world for being world famous. Throughout the entire journey, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and watch your children. We're going to start our journey off here today in the Amazon Rainforest, located here on the Amazon River, where it rains nearly 365 days a year. It's almost every day. Almost. On either side of the boat, you will see some of our native insects, the butterfly. Butterflies here in the Amazon Rainforest can range anywhere from 1 foot to a whopping 12 inches. Now you might be asking yourself, Skipper Michelle, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, you see, folks, because it inspires you to have to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody go, ooh. Everybody go, ah. Everybody go, ka-chow. Inspiration. We're now making our way onto the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. I asked my friends up ahead at Pygmy Beach to throw you guys a welcoming party. So who's ready to party with the Pygmies? Woo! Yeah, party games, party food, party hats. It's gonna be a really great party that nobody showed up to. I'm sorry, guys. Nobody showed up. I can't see anyone. Canoe? Something must have scared them away. Any idea what could have possibly scared away the Pygmies? Ooh, that right there, that is a python. Do you guys know how I know it's not a boa? It doesn't have any feathers on it. But don't worry, I've got some snake repellent back here at my base camp. Looks like we've got some uninvited guests. Good news is I wasn't able to start that Jeep this morning. Looks like they got it to turn over. They probably used a monkey wrench. And out here on your left, you will see the second most feared animal in the jungle, the African bull elephant. And over here on your right is the first most feared, his mother-in-law. And here next to her, a beautiful sandstone formation. A lot of people really take it for granted. It is one of the bolder attractions here. I think it rocks. Now here in the African belt, we've got giraffes, we've got wildebeest, we've even got some zebra and some funny looking deer. And up ahead of us here, you'll see a pride of lions enjoying a refreshing zebra on the rocks. Displaying the #1 rule of the jungle, don't be a zebra. On that that lost safari I've been looking for. That guy on the bottom there, that's my best friend Ina. Can we all say hi to Ina? Hi, Ina. I sure miss him. I hope he comes down soon. And now, folks, a little bit of jungle knowledge for all of you guys here today. These plants up here, those are hibiscuses. Those plants down there, those are lobiscuses. All those plants in the water, those are sea biscuses. And the ones with all the bark on them, those are dog biscuses. You guys want to know which one's my favorite? None of you biscuses. And up ahead of us here, folks, is Schweitzer Falls, named after our very own founder here at the Jungle Cruise, Albert Falls. But don't worry about that one, folks. We'll be going over it later. Usually at this point in the Jungle Cruise, people tend to ask me, Skipper Michelle, how did you become a skipper here at the world famous Jungle Cruise? Well, folks, it's very plain to see. I took a crash course and now I'm just winging it. But that's the tail end of that story. And you know what a plane down in the jungle means, right? Hippos. Hippos just like these have been known to capsize boats just like ours. Don't worry, I know how to scare them away. I love you! Meet my parents! Yep, scares them off every time. We're now entering headhunter territory. It's a very bad place to be headed. And if you don't believe me, you can just ask my last crew. They were a bunch of boneheads. Now, dancing like this and drums like those can only mean one of two things. Either they lost the bathroom key or we're about to be attacked. So if you guys see an ambush, please let me know. Oh, they're practicing Shakespeare. Or it's Rosebeer. Lead, we made it! And now, folks, the moment you've all been waiting for. The one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world. The big final water! How many of you guys felt that cool, refreshing mist on your face? Yeah, you're now home to over 900 different types of bacteria. Congratulations. We're now entering the Mekong River, located deep in the heart of Southeast Asia in Cambodia. Looks like there's a dark and scary temple ahead. Who wants to go inside? Alrighty. Uh-oh. It's worse than I thought. Looks like it's a root canal. Feel free to take as many pictures as you like. They are wearing their trunks today. Aw, how cute. Two babies playing under a full moon. Aw. And this guy hiding under the water, sometimes they think it's funny to spray the boats, but it looks like we're good to go. Yeah, they think it's funny to get, like, everybody soaked. Okay, well, good news is that he went back down. So we're just gonna, like, really quickly... Uh-oh, duck, 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 duck. No, really, look, there's ducks. Yeah, see right there, ducks. Just a bit of dry humor for you guys. Some people think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. I know, I guess I really blew it for you guys, didn't I? And no journey into the jungle is complete without a visit to my dear friend, Trader Sam. Can we all go, hi, Sam? Sam here is the head salesman at the Jungle Cruise, but lately, sales have been shrinking. He's got a good deal going though, 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Either way you slice it and dice it, you'll always come out ahead. Any takers? Oh, sorry, Sam. As we approach the dock here in just a minute, please remain seated with all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and watch your children. For those of you that enter through the front door, I'm going to have you exit through the front door. For those of you that enter through the back door, please exit through the back door. Do not cross over anything in the center. That is a tripping hazard. That would make for 2 bad trips, and I'm only responsible for the first bad trip. Once again, for those of you on this side of my boat, please do not cross over anything in the center. It is not a great idea. And for those of you seated on this side of my boat, please keep all elbows and arms inside the boat for me, please. We don't want you scratching our dock. Thank you. Once again, my name is Skipper Michelle, and if you guys laughed, well, thank you so much for laughing. And if you guys didn't laugh, well, thank you so much for leaving. It's been a really awkward 10 minutes of you guys just staring at me. I must say, though, out of all of my cruises today, you guys have definitely been the most recent. I do mean that. You guys really have been the most recent. Thank you, thank you. And if you guys are passing by Jungle Cruise later, I understand. I understand. But if you do want to come back and if you want to come back and see me, I'll be around. And around. And around. Some people don't like circles. I don't get the point. I never get the point. Because I go around. And around. Well, anyways, folks, I've started to consider you guys kind of like my family. But like any family, 10 minutes in the jungle, in this tiny boat, has been more than enough. So what I'm about to say next, I mean, and I truly, truly mean it from the bottom of my heart to the bottom of this really shallow khaki boat. Get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude of me. Please, get out. If everybody just...
Well, I hope you enjoyed the ride on the Jungle Cruise. Make sure you like and give us a comment and keep coming back for more videos. And also check out our sponsor, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney vacation planning. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.